So the course of time is really very much like the course of a ship in the ocean. Because here's the ship, you see, and it leaves behind it a wake. The wake fades out, and that tells us where the ship has been, in just the same way as the past and our memory of the past tells us what we have done. But as we go back into the past, and we go back and back to prehistory, and we use all kinds of instruments and scientific methods for detecting what happened, we eventually reach a point where all record of the past fades away in just the same way as the wake of the ship. Now, the important thing to remember in this illustration is that the wake doesn't drive the ship.
Started hanging around. I really didn't think I could live it down. I tried to play it cool, but every single part of me felt so good. Took me someplace I'd never been before. I was a foreigner in your hands. I just couldn't let it go till now. A letter unopened, just like a knock on the door. Myself turning into